Yes, good day to you guys. And we are here right now. And I am here right now in our office, no, sa Health Up. And it's a privilege kasi may kakausapin tayo ngayon. And itong tao na to, isa lang namang magaling na distributor, leader here in Health Up. Pero ito pa yung maganda. Pinagsasabay niya ang negosyo na to, yung Health Up, sa sarili ng business. So may I call on Ma'am MG Reyes. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Sir John Ray, no? So, yun. So, my name is MG and ano yung katanungan ni Sir?
Sir ka naman, ma'am, bakit gusto mo or pinagpapatuloy mo pa rin si Health Up kahit may sarili ka ng business?
Okay, so first of all, no, marami siyang advantage. And number one is the community that we had here. So, before, wala naman ako negosyo before. Kumbaga, nag-umpisa ako magkaroon ng negosyo nung naging part ako dito ni Health Up. Kasi way back before, alam mo yon, sobrang chaotic ng life and then opportunity na. Yun yung sinasabi na kapag may opportunity, i-grab mo agad. That's why nung nakilala ko yung mentor natin, which is si Sir MJ Lopez, naka-attend ng mga events niya, and definitely, nabuhayan ng pangarap, especially mas luminaw sa akin yung gusto ko na dati pang simulan na business, which is yung coffee business, no? But before that is naging part ako ni Health Up, and doon nag-start lahat. Naayos yung mindset ko, naayos din yung health ko, kasi hindi ka naman makakapag-negosyo kung hindi ka okay eh. So yung sakit ko before, nasolusyonan ni Health Up, ni Moringay Products, and then hindi ko nga alam na pwede palang kumita before. Kasi ang gusto ko lang mag-grow as a person. Ito yung pinaka-highlight dito eh. Si Health Up kasi, hindi lang siya business lang. Dito, sobra kang mag-grow and unstoppable yung magiging growth mo rito. As well as, pwede kasi itong maging tulay para mas ma-build mo yung dream business mo in the near future. So, bakit ako nag-start kay Health Up? Hindi ako magkakaroon ng sariling business kung hindi dahil kay Health Up. So, yun lang naman, sir, and thank you.
Yun, grabe. Guys, kung ikaw na hindi ka pa makapag-desisyon ngayon kung anong business na gusto mo, what if simulan mo muna kay Health Up? At yung natutunan ni Ma'am MG sa Health Up, in-apply niya sa sarili niyang business. Tama?
Yes.
So, yun naman. And kung gusto mong malaman ano yung Health Up, you can message me or comment down below for more information. Yun na naman, and see you soon.